with a family, planting a little seed. Say a prayer that the roots grow deep, 'cause it's all grown naturally. Our home is here in the heartland, where we work and earn these calloused hands. Generations of dedication and honor. The American farmer. There's new ways of harvesting, same crops, bigger machines. Working hard is an everyday thing, that's the way it'll always be. Our home is here in the heartland, where we work and earn these calloused hands. Generations of dedication and honor. The American farmer. Our home is here in the heartland, where we work and earn these calloused hands. Generations of dedication and honor. The American farmer. The American farmer.
Coffee in your cup. Don't thank the corner store or that early morning rush. Thank a farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees praying for rain that grew this country strong. Get tougher as their lives keep getting harder. Oh, I think it's time we all thank a farmer. From the blacktop roads you ran, that used to be his land, to big cities and small towns that he built with his two hands. You can thank a farmer. And for this shirt on my back and these boots on my feet, thank a farmer. Yeah, thank a farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees praying for rain that grew this country strong and keep us moving on. They get tougher as their lives keep getting harder. Yeah, I think it's time we all thank the farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees praying for rain that grew this country strong and keep us moving on. They get tougher as their lives keep getting harder. I think it's time we all thank a farmer. Thank a farmer. A lot of folks like me still care about the FFA and county fairs and the folks who really make this world go round. I'd like to thank a farmer.